This is the Amazfit Stratos 3. It's an always-on screen that's transflective, meaning it gets brighter in the sunlight. Sports fitness band with a backlight, of course, for indoor use. It has access to all kinds of widgets, different types of reports of regular full-time heart rate measurements, your overall health category with step count information, all kinds of activities that you can do with the built-in GPS system, last night's sleep information, timers, stopwatches, and more. It's really, really cool. When you go in here, you get access to an app drawer, which repeats a lot of the widgets, but adds in a few other goodies as well. You can have a real-time compass in here that shows you exactly where you are on planet Earth, and you have location services for true GPS orientation, many, many more things, including overall settings and a store where you can add additional watch faces on here. You have ability to go into any of your favorite activities, activate them right from the push buttons here, acquire GPS, GLONASS, a couple of other different satellite systems, really robust tracking capabilities. Again, it's called the Amazfit Stratos 3, carbon fiber body, really nice bezel, no flat tire on the 3, and a very nice rubberized stretching band. It's definitely worth a look. Check it out.